In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a Google Sheet, a useful skill when you need to work with data in a more dynamic format. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your Google Sheets interface ready at hand. Get started by opening a new Google Sheet. This is where you'll eventually bring your converted data. Now, to convert PDF to a more compatible format, we're going to use an online converter. For this demonstration, I recommend using Zamzar, a versatile online file conversion tool. Head to the Zamzar website, where you'll find the Choose Files button prominently displayed. Click on it and navigate through your computer to select the PDF document you want to convert. Once you've chosen your PDF file, it's time to set it up for conversion. Zamzar will typically convert the file into a CSV format, which we can then easily import into Google Sheets. After selecting your PDF, search for the Convert Now button on the website. Give that a click, and Zamzar will begin processing your file. This might take a bit of time depending on the size of your document, so don't worry if things don't seem instant. Once the conversion process is complete, you'll see an option to download the converted file. Click Download to save your newly minted CSV file onto your computer. Now, with your CSV file ready, it's time to shift back to Google Sheets. In your Google Sheets window, locate the File menu on the top left corner. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll choose Import. This step is crucial as it allows us to bring in the data from the CSV file. The Import window will present you with multiple options. Look for the Upload tab, which will ask you to upload a file from your computer. Go ahead and select the Browse button, then find and select the CSV file you just downloaded. This action initiates the uploading process to your Google Sheet. Once your file is successfully uploaded, choose Import Data to bring everything into your spreadsheet. Google Sheets will handle the rest and present your data nicely within the cells. This is the magic moment when your PDF data becomes editable and ready for use in Google Sheets. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've converted a PDF file into a Google Sheet. Remember, with every conversion and import, check your data for any inconsistencies that might arise from the conversion process. With this knowledge in hand, you're all set to transform static data into dynamic, workable sheets anytime you need to. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.